Can I call you that? Or
Yes.
Mrs. Amuna? Miss Amuna? Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amuna Foods.
Yes, welcome back indeed.
It's lovely to be able to finally kind of sit down again and check in with you.
Yes, we are so happy to, come before you today. Show you our faces.
Yep.
Faces behind Amuna Foods.
Yes.
Yes.
And we just wanted to kind of reintroduce ourselves because we just wanted to reintroduce ourselves because we realized we have, many more subscribers. We started with 0,
Yes.
or maybe 2. Maybe we subscribed to the channel from our own channel, and we had 2 subscribers, 1 and 2, and then now we have more than 200, and that is so amazing. We're super grateful, and we really hope that more people will join us on this journey.
Yes, we are so grateful and we are thankful for all of you, our subscribers. We really appreciate you. Thank you for your support.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your support. Yeah, we've really been blown away by all the comments and all the positive feedback,
Yeah.
and even the constructive feedback. We really, really appreciate all of it.
Yes,
Yes.
we do.
So, my name is Tabitha.
And my name is Doris.
Yes, in case you haven't guessed already by maybe our appearance, some people do say that we look alike,
Yeah.
and some people do say we look alike. Or in case you haven't guessed from like some of the videos that we've done, like especially the Gomesi tutorial, which kind of gave it away, or maybe
Yes.
maybe you just know us personally. We do know that we have a lot of like personal support, which we really, really appreciate. So in case you haven't guessed, my mum, this is my mum.
Yes.
I don't know if I can say Doris.
Yes, I am the mama, and this is my baby girl, Tabitha.
My name is Tabitha, and
I love her dearly.
oh, I love you dearly, mommy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are the faces. The faces
Behind Amuna Foods.
Amuna Foods.
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay, mommy, can I call you that? Or
Yes.
Mrs. Amuna?
No.
Miss Amuna? Ooh, one day maybe we should kind of like explain the name, and then we explain kind of why we started the channel. So, why Amuna Foods? Why the name Amuna Foods?
Amuna really comes from my middle name, Lamono,
Yes.
and it's like a praise or a pet kind of name. When I was much younger, my mom, my aunties, they used to call me Amona, and I love it. I love it. So instead of saying, using Lamono, it's too long. So Amona is easier for everybody really to pronounce.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that is the name behind Amuna Foods.
Yes.
Yes. So we decided to name that because we felt like we decided to kind of call it
I was
Amuna
the main
Foods.
cook, and I am the main cook. So
Yeah. We decided to use that name because...
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go on.
We decided to use that name because we had other names, but then that one we just felt like it has more like longevity or like scope or just connectivity.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, that's why. And because it's kind of mummy's baby in terms of her kind of cooking and sharing all these recipes, it was named after her because it's her cooking. I think I threw in a couple of recipes there. I did the lasagna, and I did maybe, I don't remember what else I did, but I did the lasagna, I think.
Yeah. It's really a teamwork, because I really couldn't even do it without her. Tabitha does a lot. She's, the lady, doing the videoing, the camera lady, and she's quite good at and all the editing. She's the one who is really making it come to fruition. So yeah, she sometimes cook as well. Yeah.
But not really. I cooked once, but not really. And that's fine by me. I'm learning along the way. I'm definitely learning along the way, and really happy about that. So yeah, all the recipes actually, funnily enough, fun fact, I never knew how to cook malakwang or all those things. So as I'm editing, I'm kind of learning the the specifics about these dishes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm actually very grateful for, starting this channel, because these children of mine, every time I ask them to come and learn, some of them were not interested, but now, even actually, they are actually watching the video and learning.
Yeah.
Tabitha is learning straight away from the kitchen while I'm cooking, and obviously she's the one doing the editing and everything, and she's continuing to learn.
Yeah.
But my other children actually are also learning, and I find it very, 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 encouraging for me.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
I
think, sorry to interrupt.
And my friends' children as well, instead of watching their mom cook, they actually love to watch Auntie Doris cook. So that is really
or maybe
amazing.
as well as
so they love the video. So yeah, I'm very, very grateful about that.
But what I was gonna say was, I think when we were learning to cook when those younger years, it was mostly cooking the stuff that we really were into. Yeah, that we really enjoyed, that we really were into.
Yeah.
And it wasn't always the acholi food as number one. But that doesn't mean that as we've gotten older, we don't like it. We love it, actually.
Yes.
It's really special and it's really enjoyable. And like Mommy said, people other than us, other than the kids, are learning from it.
Yeah.
And another thing is, when we went to Uganda, my uncle, our dear Uncle James, Mommy's brother, late brother actually now, which is very sad. What did he say?
Did he say he loves watching my video? I don't
remember. He always used to comment. He always used to comment that, that looks nice.
Oh, I remember on Facebook, and when we post actually the videos, he used to really like my videos and, just admire the way, we used to cook, and I wish that I was actually able to cook it for him at home. But, a lot of people do give us positive feedback, and you guys as well. Amuna Food would not be there without you.
One day we should do it. We should name people one by one. Those first, the founding subscribers. The founding subscribers, the founding members. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we appreciate you so much. God bless you.
Yes.
Yeah. These Amuna Foods, I'm telling you now, please let your children learn how to cook. Sometimes it is easier for children to just actually even learn from somewhere else, but you can teach them. But if you find that they're not really into it, just put the video and let them just watch it together, Or you can even go through the cooking, the recipes together and cook with the children. It will help them to learn how to cook our traditional dishes and other dishes as well.
Yeah.
Just let us encourage our children to cook, because it's much, much more healthy to eat from home than to keep buying takeaway. You know what you're putting in your food, the ingredients that you use. So, you feel that you're actually feeding your kids with the right kind of food instead of just letting them go and buy takeaway. Yeah. So let them learn to cook, and they will, when they fall in love with our traditional foods, they will love it. And when they know how to cook it, even if you are not there, they will continue to cook and eat healthy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great. Can we talk a little bit about why, specifically why we started, and what's the reason? What do we want to do? What do we want to encourage?
Well, after many years of cooking these recipes at home, and we really, really enjoy them as a family. Tabitha also encouraged me also, Mommy, why don't we actually just, start cooking so that others can also learn, let's start a cooking channel or something like that. So I realized actually, why should I learn all of these things? And we are enjoying it so much as a family. Why don't we actually make it actually available for the whole world to learn?
Yeah.
Because we enjoy it, that's why we cook. So that you can also try it at home and actually enjoy. you know. Yeah, because those are food that these children grew up loving, and of course the traditional one, the actually ones. At the beginning, it was challenging, but as time went by, they actually grew to love eating them. Yes.
And there are many, many more dishes to come. And we do actually embrace other cultures as well.
Yeah.
I think one of the main points, the main points is we would love to showcase our culture through food, at the same time teach it, and at the same time encourage you to explore your own culture and be proud of it, and really just kind of, appreciate it.
Yeah.
Appreciate it more. Even if you're like, maybe you're an African person who grew up here as well, and you don't know much about your own culture's food. Let me be an example. I grew up here too, and I don't know every single Acholi food.
No.
I'm sure there's so many that I've not tried, but just by participating in this, I'm learning, I'm exploring, I'm learning to kind of be more curious about Acholi food. And I really hope that if you're from Zimbabwe, Zambia, South Africa, Namibia, Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, wherever you Kenya, Tanzania, Burundi, all those places.
Yeah.
I really hope that you take that step to explore your heritage, where it is that you have roots, I'm sure there's so much richness in it, and so much so much to explore. Food is a wonderful thing, and it brings people together.
Yeah, it does.
And that's another principle that we stand by, that we try to encourage, and that we try to use as a tool, a really positive tool.
Yeah.
And I think that it's something quite positive that you can use in your family life as well.
Yeah.
Using food and culture to bring people together.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I find actually that is so true, Tabitha, because the main time that I find, at least we as a family also get to come together, is like when I make a meal, and then I call everybody, please come and let us eat.
Yeah.
That is the time when we all come together, and we can sit together and we eat. It can be maybe on a birthday, when we are celebrating somebody's birthday. That also brings us together. So find a way of actually bringing your family together, because like our children who grew up in this land, they love to be on their own in their rooms. They love to play their computer games and stuff like that. So but when you bring food, we can all have fellowship together. Yeah.
Exactly. And I think also it can take you away from technology. People being on their phones, on their devices, iPads, computers, tablets, whatever. It can take you away from that, and you concentrate on the food and talking and basically catching up and seeing where everybody is.
Yeah.
And not just at Christmas time.
No.
Not just at Christmas or birthdays. So, yeah.
Day to day.
Day to day, yeah. So, what do we have coming?
Oh, we have very exciting recipes coming up.
Yeah.
I think it's better for us to keep it for a surprise. If we tell you now, then you may not. I think just watch this space.
Ooh, yeah. Watch this space.
Yeah, we have more recipes coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once again, we would like to give you a big thumbs up. We'd like to give you a big thumbs up.
Yeah.
And we hope that you give this video a thumbs up. And you just kind of jump on board, give us a subscribe, and
share it.
Yeah.
Give us some positive comments.
Yes. And we also do have an Instagram page. So we're going to try and use that much more as well.
Yeah.
And you can follow us on Facebook as well, because we're on Facebook, we're on some other platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and other places. And I really hope that we see you again soon.
Yes.
Please. So for now,
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
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 Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you in our next recipe video.
God bless.
Bye.